What's up, everybody?
What's up?
Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, shoot.
Today we doing a Chipotlè mukbang. Now, let me open mine real quick so y'all can see.
Hurry up. That's why I said hurry up. Come on.
So I'm going to have to edit that out now.
What?
Because you telling me to hurry up. Because you know you don't edit. It's mine. I got a steak bowl, obviously. Babe, what'd you get?
I got lamb, or
Barbacoa.
in Spanish, barbacoa.
No fork for me?
Yeah, I get. Yeah, Ben gave you your fork.
I don't have no fork, y'all.
I got her a fork. She just misplaced it, as always. Yeah. All the way down there. No, don't do that. I'll be right back.
He's gonna go get me a fork. But yeah, I got a steak bowl. I got steak, guac, cheese, pico de gallo, and hot sauce. And corn. That's what I got. We sit in the car eating. Sorry if y'all can see us. We can't really see the food. We don't have nowhere to put the phone right now. We gotta buy we have to buy a camera mount for the car. But I'm recording off my phone right now. It's coming back.
I think the place is going to be called Axis.
Come on, get in.
Yeah, exchange sweets. Exchanging sweets.
Thank you, love.
Your fork.
So we gonna tell them what we've been up to? We've been up to a lot, y'all. A lot.
Getting the car fixed.
We got a new car. It's still
It's a possible. It's a maybe.
It's a problem right now. What else we've been doing? We've been working. We're about to move. All of that.
Look, I'm shaking.
Look at that.
She put me on Chipotlè. It's my new favorite spot. When I got it. I got some of the veggies too.
Oh yeah, we changing the channel name.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna be M&B Chronicles no more. It's probably we're gonna change it to a different name. We haven't really decided. Well, I have a couple ideas, but I haven't really decided what we're gonna call it. But it's gonna be something based around food.
We'll still be doing vlogs. It's just we need a little more bigger audience.
It's gonna be based around food because we like to eat. We like to try out different places and things like that.
And there's a lot of places where we live.
A lot of little mom and pop places that we can check out. I like going to mom and pop places anyway because I like to give them my business.
Plus the food is better. They take their time instead of rush. Plus your food's supposed to be put with love.
So for all y'all, excuse me. Hold on. For all y'all who are new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment and share this video so we can get our name out there. For our subscriber that we already have, I know y'all missed us. Y'all missed us doing a video or whatever. Y'all missed our beautiful faces.
Well, yours, mine.
our beautiful faces. And yeah, just chilling. We've been working. We've been eating.
Yeah.
We've been moving. We're just staring into the camera. We're really hungry. This is our first meal of the day.
Well, technically my second, but
Well, this is my first meal of the
my
day.
most filling meal. I had cereal earlier. Some Wheaties. Chipotle is good. I like it. I'm guessing I
Chipotle is a meal that you eat before you go work out.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Or before.
It's a fly in here, y'all. I'm trying to get him out. He after my food. Get out. Get out. There you go.
I like Chipotle because they give you basically everything in the food group.
It's basically everything you would get in a burrito.
Yeah. But I feel like without the bread, because you already got a carbohydrate, it's much better. You're cutting out extra sugar, energy.
You gotta hurry up though.
And this is 2 servings. This is not even 1. This is 2 servings.
I gotta give my mother something to eat.
Yeah. Well.
Oh. Drinks. I'm drinking root beer.
And I got, for all those old 90s kids, I got Mr. Pibb. It's Pibb Extra though, so I don't know, I guess.
Honestly, y'all, I shouldn't even be drinking this because I'm gonna end up breaking out. I always do when I drink dark soda. I always break out on my face. But it's so good, so I can't stop.
Man, black beans taste so good. Oh, I like my beans.
You got lamb and...
Sorry about that.
We got the windows rolled down. It's hot outside, y'all.
And the reason why I got that beans is because I got a lean meat. Plus I'm Mexican, so, you know, love my beans.
Beans make good dance.
Hey.
Y'all remember that that video that went viral, that little girl dancing? To beans make her dance. I think it was her father singing it. Or she just started dancing. Hit the like button if you remember that. Or comment below.
Comment, I remember that time.
Michael just had a birthday, y'all. Michael's birthday was yesterday. So I want everybody to go in the comments and say happy birthday to Michael.
Sorry, I gotta have a little bit more. One, maybe 3 more scoops. See? Look, you can portion this out for your workout time. It's a 2-portion meal. For them on-the-go people. Like me. This other half's going to work. Right, Bunny?
Michael works graveyard shift. Late at night to the wee hours of the morning. It's spicy.
I like it. It's a good spicy.
Maybe because I ain't had no spice today. It's just overpowerful. Now you're out of the frame.
I'm sorry, but I don't want them to see me eating like a savage. I'm hungry.
Excuse me.
So,
Y'all know
I'm super hungry. I mean, I ate it like a dang on wolf, but I made sure to leave
Oh, we
myself
gotta
some.
do a damn. We could have to do a thumbnail.
Can we do one?
I could take a steal from here, I think.
Yeah, we just do it like this now. Oh.
Oh, it didn't fall.
Ooh, my mouth is on fire.
Alright, y'all. Hold on.
Ooh. Oh, them spicy. See? That's what you get for too much Mexican.
We about to dip. We about to log off this thing. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Hit that share button. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. Say bye, babe.
See ya.
Bye, guys.